Good morning, guys. This is Hector with United Food Truck, giving you guys an update on Forgotten Harvest. As you guys can see, a lot of progress has been made since the last update. For one, we went ahead and we've completed the entire interior, and then we went ahead and also added these roller ramp upgrades that the client requested. These are meant to be able to be dismantled and mantled up in about, I'd say, 30 minutes before the actual production starts, okay? Completely industrial style. They could resist about 1,000 pounds of weight, and they give you an 8-degree incline. As you guys can see, completely sturdy, nothing's gonna get through this. They come with a little platform, a 48 by 48 platform right here. So there's 2 sets of ramps. There's gonna be one over here for the clients to leave, and then there's gonna be one at the back, which I'll show you now, which is for the clients to enter and for goods to get into the actual unit. Now coming into the inside of the unit, you're gonna find that everything has been placed. All we gotta do now is a little bit of spring cleaning, making sure that the product is good to turn in, along with a few corrections here and there. As you guys can see, the unit comes, if you look to the side, you're gonna see that it comes with storage facilities here, in order to make sure that you can put away all your dry goods. The facility has plumbing on the side. If you look behind you, you're gonna see a full electrical system for the PowerTech generator that we have installed. If we come further back, we're gonna find all the refrigeration units. We have two double-door freezers and 2 double-door refrigerators. So as you guys can see, on the racks themselves, we have plastic covers. The plastic covers, they're meant for basically making sure that whatever's inside of the actual racks stays within the racks whenever the unit is in movement. The plastic covers, they could be completely removed just by unzipping them, and then they turn just like this. So this unit is going to Michigan. The temperature changes a lot, so we have installed ACs, RVACs throughout the unit, and we have heating lamps for when it's cold throughout the unit. So since this unit stays in operation throughout the entirety of the day, the doors have to remain open in order to make sure that there's no air change or airflow coming from the outside or from the inside outward. We have installed air curtains in every entrance of the unit. The air curtains are gonna go ahead and allow to ensure that whatever temperature you want it inside of the unit stays within that unit. So on the unit itself, we also went ahead and created these custom doors. These doors, we had to buy them themselves separately, and we installed them into the unit just to make sure that we have enough openness. And we also have the roller wrap right here under that you see, where it's not placed, but it's completely dismantleable, as you guys can see. Additionally, since this unit has a PowerTech generator, we also have a diesel fuel tank here that we made a custom base for and connected over to the generator through the internal side of the unit. Again, this has been Hector with United Food Truck. Make sure to follow us on all social medias to keep track of Forgotten Harvest's updates. Thank you.